Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you sort of video editing process for beginners on iPhone. So because I already have an app called InShot, which in my opinion has a great options, wonderful tools, and best quality, I will show you a few examples of video editing step by step. Okay, so let's get started. Now first, if you don't have an app, head over to the App Store in your iPhone, type in the search field InShot, and install it. After you installed it, open the app. The start page will show you sort of monthly payment or one-time purchase, but don't worry, you can simply click on free trial. But of course you need to know that on the free trial option you have limited tools. Anyways, after you choose one of the options, the InShot editor will take you to the dashboard as you can see here on my screen. Now here we have three options. The first one is for video editing, the second one is for photo editing or creating a video with the photos you choose, and third one is an option where you can edit your photo or video in details like background with different style and effects, AI animation, etc. Now let's say, for example, you want to create an intro. So click on the option which says Video. Now here, as you can see, it takes us to the gallery where we choose the photo or video you want. As an example, I will use a simple empty black colored wallpaper after you choose it. In the right corner below will appear the green button with white checkmark in it. So click on it and it will take you to the next step. Alright, so here as you can see, we have a plenty of tools and options to use. Now let's choose the first tool. So here you can see three buttons which are based for editing video, I could say, in more specific way. So the first button represents a form of video, which is also based on where you would like to post that same video, whether it's for Instagram Reel, TikTok, or YouTube post. The second button, as you see it, says Zoom. You can choose the size however you like. And the third button is Wallpaper. You can customize the wallpaper in very attractive way with different colors and forms. Here the second tool says Audio. You can import the audio you want, record your own, or the best and fun thing is you can use audio effect, which InShot Editor provides for you. The third tool is adding an emoji. The fourth tool is based on adding and customizing text. Here, after you put your own text, you can see four different symbols. The first one is nothing special but just a keyboard. The second one is for adding a color. The third one is for text form. The fourth one is the size of your text, and the last one is, let's say, sort of animation. The fifth tool are effects. So if we click on it, we can see the first option, which says effects. Those effects are basically providing simple different animations. The second option provides AI animation. The third is based for adding a filter like colors, form, etc. And the last on is for customizing your photo or video, whatever, a little more in details. Now for the end, let's add some animation. Just to let you know, for this project, all of these tools I used randomly just to show you as an example. Of course, the main fact is that you are going to do everything by yourself in the way you prefer. Now let's preview our result. I could tell it looks pretty solid. Now, after you're satisfied with your project, click on the icon on right corner above, choose the quality of your video, whether it is 480p, 720p, 1080p, 2 or 4K. So I'm going to choose 4K because it's the high quality. Then I'm going to set on 60 FPS and MP4 file. After you're done with that, simply click on the white button which says Save. Wait until it's processed, and your video will be saved in your gallery. For the photo editing or creating videos with photos, the process of editing is completely same. And like I said before, the third option is to add your photo or video with background picture with different forms and colors, and also able to create an AI picture. For example, I will use those vape photos and try something with AI. Here, as you can see, you can set the photos in different forms, however you like. I could tell that this one could be used for website photo or for marketing video. And that's it. I just showed you one example of video editing process. If you found this video fun, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to discover more tech wisdom. Also, if you edited something with this app, drop a link in the comments. I would love to see your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one.